So late this evening, the World Health Organization Director General Tedros Adhanom says that they have established a COVAX manufacturing task force to boost COVID-19 vaccine supply to support the health security. But let me bring in Dr. Collins Tabu, the head of National Vaccines and Immunization Program at the Ministry of Health, is joining me in studio just to find out this issue around the vaccines being produced in Rwanda. Dr. Tabu, thanks for making time for us. So now Rwanda is gearing up to produce vaccines. What do they have that we don't?
Thank you, Trevor. Perhaps the question should have been the other way around. We probably have a lot more capacity in the region than anyone else. And just to take you back, for instance, we do manufacture animal vaccines for the region. In the 80s, before we did eradicate smallpox, we eradicated smallpox on the footprint of locally produced vaccines.
Yeah.
The discussion on local vaccine production is not new to us, whereas they're starting now. It has been on our lips for the last 2 years, and the country has been gearing to move on with childhood vaccines, local production, and then the pandemic did happen to us. So it's a discussion that has been ongoing. It's a discussion that has a lot of support from within our leadership, and there's already the country is already working on the legal and regulatory frameworks to see this happen.
So we do produce some of the vaccines, but what about the COVID-19 vaccine?
So for the COVID-19 vaccines, just to take you back, as you can see the engagements that are coming out from the WHO, vaccine production is a very resource-intensive exercise. We need a lot of financial muscle to be able to do that. The country is willing to invest in that. We need a lot of technical expertise to be able to do that. The country is willing to invest in that. Beyond that, there are quality management systems that are globally acceptable that we must be able to put in place. There are regulatory requirements that we need to be able to put in place. There's the production workforce that has the necessary capacity that we need to have to put in place. The country is working towards that. But often, because the COVID vaccines are new, we don't have the luxury of time to wait 10 years to develop our own systems. So the approach towards the manufacture of the COVID-19 vaccines would then be that one of identifying a vaccine-producing country, identifying a vaccine-producing technology partner, so to speak, and then have an agreement that spells out some technology transfer and capacity transfer to our country to enable us to produce those vaccines, just like India is doing of the AstraZeneca vaccines, and then we can be able to move forward.
So when are we likely going to have vaccines, COVID-19, here in Kenya?
I wouldn't put a timeline to it, but I can let you know for now, for sure, that it will be within time to be able to assist us have enough vaccines to be able to combat the current pandemic.
So compared to Rwanda, you say we are better off, right?
Yes, we have done this before. We have different vaccine production platforms. We're doing a lot in terms of vaccine clinical trials within our setup. So we have a lot of capacity and technical workforce that then we need to basically forming the framework on which we transposition the technology that then would come in to allow us to produce the COVID-19 vaccine.
Is this work in progress, Doctor?
This is work in progress, Trevor.
And you don't want to give me a time frame of how long this might take?
I don't want to give you a time frame.
Because why Rwanda is talking about producing vaccines now, I mean, what are they going to do that is so different that we can't do?
If you might be able to have picked it out earlier from our leadership, it's one of the biggest strategies now being explored to assist us have a faster deployment of the COVID-19 vaccines, that we're not just going to wait to sort of like procure these, but at some point in time, we'll need to be able to produce our own to be able to reach all the populations that we seek to reach.
All right.